Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Rickman here. I'm here to do a math lesson with you today. I hope you're all doing well. And our lesson today is going to be about decomposing. Now, who remembers what decomposing means? Think about it. It's a hard word. Who can remember what it means? That's right. It means to break apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to break apart numbers into two different groups. So what you will need is 10 counters, 10 things that you can use to count with, like 10 Legos or 10 cookies or 10 cubes or anything that you can find 10 of. And you might want to get a piece of paper and a pencil. So just hit pause on this lesson and go find 10 counters, a piece of paper, and a pencil. And then we'll continue. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to decompose, which means break apart, and we're going to start by decomposing 10. So what I want you to do is go ahead and put your 10 counters in a row. Line them up like this. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so we're going to decompose from 10. So we're going to break 10 apart. So let's think about how we can break 10 apart. Now at school, we usually use cubes, and we have all 10 cubes hooked together. And what we do is we just break them apart into 10 or two different groups by just kind of breaking them like this. So who can think of a way that we could break this down from 10? We could do 5 and 5. That's one of my kids' favorite things to do, is to do 5 over here and 5 over here. So one way we can decompose is to break 10 down. So I'm going to write 10 right here in the middle. And we can decompose by making kind of like, it looks like a mountain peak right there, a mountaintop. And we put how many over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we decomposed 10 into two groups. We did 5 and 5. So that's one way you can decompose 10. What is another way we can decompose 10? Just think. We have 10. Let's put 1, 2, 3 over here. And then we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So what is another way we can make 10? We could do 10 and then do your mountain peak like this and count 1, 2, 3 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Whoops, we lost one. Put that back up. So how do we decompose 10 this time? We decompose and we made 3 and 7. So at the top, one way to make 10 is 5 and 5, and another way to decompose 10 is 3 and 7. So if you tune in, I'll do part 2 of this lesson. So just hang on and look for part 2 of our decomposing lesson.